Why did thousands of people participate in a giant pillow fight? In the bustling city of San Francisco, something peculiar happened on a seemingly ordinary Saturday afternoon. Thousands of people gathered at Justin Herman Plaza, armed with nothing but pillows. They stood ready, waiting for the signal to commence what can only be described as the world's largest pillow fight. The event, called Pillow Fight San Francisco, has been an annual tradition since 2005. It was started by a local resident who simply wanted to have some fun and bring people together. What began as a small gathering of friends quickly grew into a massive phenomenon, with participants coming from all over the world. But why do people want to participate in something as silly as a giant pillow fight? The answer is simple: it's fun. In a world that can be stressful and overwhelming, events like this provide a much-needed break from reality. It allows people to let loose, forget their worries, and enjoy the simple pleasure of hitting each other with pillows. Participants ranged from young children to senior citizens, all eager to take part in the action. Some came dressed in elaborate costumes, while others wore pajamas or regular street clothes. But regardless of their attire, everyone shared one thing in common: a desire to have a good time. As the clock struck 6 p.m., the air was filled with the sound of fluff hitting feathers and laughter echoing throughout the plaza. Pillows flew left and right, and people bounced around the square, dodging, weaving, and attacking their opponents. It was chaos, but in the best possible way. Despite the excitement, there were rules in place to ensure everyone's safety. Participants were not allowed to hit anyone who wasn't holding a pillow, and headshots were strictly forbidden. Volunteers were also on hand to help clean up the mess afterward, ensuring that the plaza was left spotless. Aside from being a fun event, the pillow fight also has a deeper meaning. It's a reminder that sometimes we need to take a step back and enjoy the little things in life. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with news of war, politics, and tragedy, events like this provide a much-needed escape. It allows us to connect with our inner child, to forget the stresses of adulthood and simply have some fun. As the night drew to a close, participants left the plaza with smiles on their faces, tired but happy. They had made new friends, created memories that would last a lifetime, and experienced the joy of childlike play. And while the pillow fight may seem silly to some, it serves as a reminder that sometimes we need to embrace our silliness and let loose. So why did thousands of people participate in a giant pillow fight? The answer is simple: because it's fun, it's a break from reality, and it reminds us to enjoy the little things in life. If you're ever feeling stressed or overwhelmed, I highly recommend grabbing a pillow and joining in on the fun next year. Trust me, you won't regret it.